attention now. The Char Dham Yatra in Uttarakhand has been suspended for the next 24 hours due to red alert for heavy rain issued by the Indian Met Department. In fact, the Garhwal Commissioner has also confirmed that pilgrims who have already reached Rishikesh are currently being asked to stay put, while those who have already moved ahead are now being stopped at the designated safe locations. The IMD has forecast extremely heavy rain in several districts, prompting the administration to take precautionary measures to avoid any untoward incidents along the pilgrimage route. My colleague Abhishek is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Abhishek, take us through the precautionary measures being taken by the administration and what happens to those pilgrims who are already on the way there.
देखिए, मैं आपको बताऊं, चार धाम यात्रा को अभी 24 घंटे के लिए मौसम की स्थिति को देखते हुए अभी 24 घंटे के लिए रोक लगाई है। श्रद्धालुओं को रोक दिया गया है और हिदायत दी है ऐसे में कोई भी पहाड़ी क्षेत्रों में इस समय सफर ना करें। और देखिए, मैं आपको बता दूं, चार धाम यात्रा के रास्ते के पड़ाव के दौरान जैसे उत्तरकाशी का सिलाई बैंड जो पड़ता है, जो बड़कोट के नजदीक है, वहां पर 9 मजदूर अतिवृष्टि की वजह से, यानी रात भर से जो बारिश हो रही थी, बादल क्लाउड बर्स्ट की जो सूचना आ रही है, वहां 9 मजदूर भी लापता हैं, जिसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए, ये सब चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हुए अफसरों ने ये निर्णय लिया है कि चार धाम की यात्रा को रोक दिया जाए। देखिए, कुमाऊं क्षेत्र की अगर मैं बात करता हूं तो बागेश्वर में भी पानी का स्तर बढ़ रहा है और लगातार वहां पे जो नदियां बहती हैं, वहां पे लगातार वहां पे जो नदियां बह रही हैं उसका असर देखने को मिल रहा है। वहीं अगर हम चार धाम यात्रा की बात करते हैं तो गढ़वाल में भी ये सब चीजें नजर आ रही हैं, जिसके मलवा आने से बद्रीनाथ हाईवे जो था वो भी कहीं कहीं लगातार बंद चल रहा है।
Okay, Abhishek, just a moment. While you mentioned what the situation is on the ground, we also have an update coming in from the Chief Minister. In fact, a landslide has occurred and the Chief Minister has taken to social media to confirm the same in the tragic incident of a landslide in the Silaiband area of the Barkot Tehsil in Uttarakashi district. It has been reported that some workers are said to be missing. The Chief Minister going on to say that the teams, including the SDRF, NDRF and others, have reached the site and are engaged in intensive relief and rescue operations. I'm in constant contact with the concerned authorities regarding this matter. I pray to God for everyone's safety. That's a message that has come in from the Chief Minister. The rescue operations are continuing and we are keeping a track of that. Thanking Abhishek for joining us with that update. Quick break. We'll be right back.